lonesome, pissed off, who wants some? I'm fighting for my soul, God, get at your boy. You try to bogart, fall back, I go hard on this lonely road, trying to make it home, doing it by my lonesome, pissed off, who wants some?
I see them long, hard times to come.
What's up, everybody? Here's one of them curious things. I don't think I've actually ever asked or made a video on. When you get on your bike, what do you always take with you? I'm curious if it varies like it does me. Every time I ride, do I have my backpack with me? 99% of the time I do, but not every time. Sometimes if I just want to run around the street or go do something quick, I don't take it with me. But for the most part, I have it with me. And my backpack consists of, most of the time I've got a water and a Gatorade in it. My registration, I have proof of insurance in there, even though I carry the insurance on my phone too, but I do have a paper copy in there. If I'm not carrying that special little item on my hip, I carry it in my backpack. Doesn't really do me a lot of good there, but sometimes it's just uncomfortable. Of course, I always have my wallet, my key fob. I always carry a pocket knife everywhere I go, no matter what. I always have chapstick on me, even though I never use it. I always have it. For those just in case moments I need to use it. Get them dry lips. Always have my gloves. I always take this hoodie with me, or a hoodie, because you never know, especially living in Missouri, you never know what the fucking weather's gonna do. One minute it can be 90 degrees, the next minute it'll be fucking 60. This sucks. All these trash trucks come out of that place right back here I just passed. This road right here is fucking slick from it. All the nastiness running out of these trash trucks and shit like that. It makes this road so slick. Like, I'll slide out every time. Take it easy. Woo! I always have my GoPros, that's obvious. I don't always record. But it's like, you know, a lot of people, you know, they always have their GoPros. They always have them turned on. And they always catch crazy shit. And I never do. Like, nothing ever happens around me. So I finally just quit running them all the time. It's like, it got kind of tiring having to fucking clear the SD cards out all the fucking time. Up right up here. Hurts like hell. It's a big ass bump in the road. Right here, and oh, there's the softest spot. Wallet. Keys. What else? What else is there? I usually always carry in my backpack. I always got like a handheld for my phone, and I got a handheld for the GoPro. like a tripod, or not a tripod. Yeah, actually, no, I do have a tripod. Like a selfie stick. That's what I'm thinking of, selfie stick. Always got a selfie stick with me. I've never once used it, but I always have it. Always carry extra batteries for my GoPros. I mean, except for this one. I mean, but I ain't never had a problem with the session. I think you charge one of them some bitches up, that motherfucker lasts forever. Like, I bet I only charge it up about once every 3 uses. Oh, sorry, session. I mean, the crotch cam. Wait for it. Wait for it. The new crotch cam look. Crotch cam, crotch cam. Anyways. Whoa, that was slick. Fuck me. Let's get a scrape in. Little scrape, not a big one. Oh, let's see here. Wow, I really don't carry as much shit with me as I thought I did. Oh, motherfucker. Give me neutral. That's how a bike's supposed to go into neutral. Nice and smooth and easy. And do you have like a ritual? I'm gonna call it a ritual. Is it really a ritual? Do you check over your bike before every single ride? Meaning, do you check your tire pressure? Do you only check if they're flat or not? You check your oil every single ride? I do not. I check my tires just to make sure they're not flat, but I don't check the actual air pressure. But I know my bike well enough to know, and I know my tires well enough to know that if they're low, I can feel it. I do not check my oil every time. Yes, I ride a Harley, but no, my Harley doesn't leak, you cocksuckers that keep talking shit. Captain Granite. It's like the 1970s, Harleys don't leak anymore. Unless you got a shitty one, or you've abused it and haven't taken care of it. But no, I don't check my oil every time. I don't check my tire pressures. I don't check my lights every time. I used to do that kind of shit when I was younger, but now it's like, meh. That's about it. Just kind of curiosity video of what's your ritual? What do you take with you when you go ride? My list ended up not being as long as I thought it was going to be. I do have a few like basic tools in the backpack too, and by basic I mean a small flathead, a small Phillips, and like a little bitty tiny crescent wrench. But that's about it, you know, because usually any problems I have with my bike, it's battery related. I just got to fuck with the battery. It's still to this day, the battery nuts and the bolts, they back off and loosen up, and then my bike don't start, and I gotta get underneath the seat. I gotta take the seat off with a Phillips head. I use a Phillips head to tighten the battery terminals back up. There ain't even nobody there, and that light's turning red. Fuck that. But anyways, leave it down in the comments. Make a video about it. Let other people know. Me, I roll my bike out of the garage. I kick my tires, make sure I kick my tires, make sure they're not flat. I start it and I go. Sometimes I gotta get gas, sometimes I don't. But like, share, comment, show your friends, your family, your neighbors. Hookers, pimps, drug dealers, everybody. If you're new here, check out some of the other videos. If you'd like, hit that subscribe button. If you don't, I understand. As always, crotch shot. Dream about me, and I will catch you on the flip side. Later.